Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Realty One Group, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Realty One Group, start by navigating to the official website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Realty One Group. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to reach the home page. Once the home page loads, look for the Login button. This button is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to be directed to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the first field. Double-check the spelling to ensure accuracy. Next, move to the password field. Carefully input your password. If you have forgotten your password, locate the Forgot Password link. Click on this link for instructions on how to reset your password. If you are entering your credentials for the first time, ensure you have registered for an account. After entering your username and password, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system verifies your information. Once verified, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues while logging in, check your internet connection. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. You can also try using a different web browser or device if necessary. For additional support, look for the Help or Contact Us section on the website. This section will provide resources for further assistance. You have now successfully logged into Realty One Group. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.